loves, I'm back with another video. This wig is from Shein again. Yes, I bought another Shein wig. This is a kinky straight wig. It looks very natural. It looks like my hair, and I tried it with this little Dutch braid. So if you guys like this look, continue watching. So this is a 13x4 frontal kinky straight lace wig. Look how it looks straight out the package. It looks like natural hair. Okay, so here's the front, here's the lace, and inside the cap. Now I did bleach and pluck the hairline. I blew out the hair. Now I'm gonna apply my powder, my Morphe Shade 11 powder, all over inside the cap, and we're just gonna measure and make sure everything's fit where it's supposed to be. Now don't come for me, I could not find my shears whatsoever, so I had to use these big scissors. Listen, we gotta do what we gotta do, okay? I could not find my shears for nothing, so we just had to work with what we had, okay? I was feeling this hair. This hair definitely felt like a blowout with my natural hair. I really like this texture. It was really nice. But let's get into it. Using Bold Hold, applied 3 coats until it dried clear. And then now I'm adhering the wig. Now I'm using the back of my comb and really pushing the wig to the adhesive and making sure it really stays and sticks. So I'm just taking it, pushing it, pushing it. Yes, we gotta make sure that it doesn't lift. There's no ripples, there's no bumps, there's no lumps. We're trying to get it as flat and seamless as possible. So now I'm gonna put my elastic band and use cool heat for like 5 minutes to make sure it really lays. So now I'm using my T3 on cool and just making sure that it really adheres. Yeah, so you see it's melted now. So now we're gonna go through and cut and use the razor, the eyebrow razor, to make sure that we have that jagged edge to make it as natural as possible. So I'm using my Got2b spray and just spraying the edge to make sure it's really flat, and then use my elastic band. I really want it to be secure, no lifting, and that as flat as possible. Yes, it's melted. Look at that. I am going to put a little bit of powder just to blend it a little bit more. See, that's what I get for doing my makeup first. It's better, it's always better if you do it before you apply your makeup. See, now I'm rubbing it, but it's better when you do it before you apply your makeup. So now I'm doing the baby hairs. I'm just tweezing and making sure I'm thinning out that section. And then we're gonna cut, use the small flat iron, and shape the baby hairs. So I've learned this combination. I use the Got To Be spray and the argan oil mousse from Cream of Nature, and I kind of mix the two to kind of swoop and lay my baby hairs. I feel like it's easier that way for me. It's not as crunchy and hard, but then it also stays in place when I use this combination. So if anyone tried it before, let me know, because I really like the two. I'm starting to get used to the baby hairs and getting used to how to lay it better. So yeah. Contemplating if I should put it in a pony. I was thinking that would be a cute little style, like the front in a pony and then the back out. But then I was like, you know what, I just want it to be natural, so I'm just gonna do a middle part and do a little braid. So I'm just gonna put the bands over the baby hairs and just let that rest. We're gonna do a middle part, define the part, and then I'm gonna go into the braid. So I'm tweezing a little bit, opening up the part, and then I'm gonna apply my powder afterwards. Now I'm attempting to do this braid. I am not the best braider, but I tried. I realized at the end of the video that one side was a over and one side was a under. So it made the part look uneven in the video, but I didn't even notice that while I was recording. But here I am attempting to do this, girl. See, I took it out. I had to redo it again. It took a few tries. So now I'm about to flat iron the back to make sure it's smooth, and then connect the two with a little rubber band. And then tie it together. This style came out very cute. I really liked it. This might be my new go-to everyday style. Now I'm just putting a little powder in the part. But yeah, this hair was so cute. It looks very natural. I'm just pulling to make sure that the ponytail is really tight. And then combing it out. But let me change my clothes real quick and just show you the final look. So yeah, it's very natural, very sleek. I did straighten it out and blow dried it out, but it gives a really natural, relaxed look. So this is one of my Shein tutorials. If you like this, click on this button right here so you can see my other Shein wig tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.